Hallo Freunde, bevor das Video startet, nochmal Werbung an eigener Sache. Folgt mir doch auf Instagram 157. Enduro, damit ihr keine Neuigkeiten sowie Abstimmungen zu den neuesten Videos verpasst. Raus, Kuss geht!
Willkommen zum dieswöchigen ENDUROGERMANY-Quiz.
Alter! Junge!
Too many thoughts on my mind, I can't sleep at night, so I just keep writing. I don't need no help, I don't need opinions, so don't waste my time then. I just been living online, my city don't show me no love and that's fine.
Ich mag
ENDUROGERMANY.
But local radio stations, I got more plays than all of these rappers combined. I'm going again, I've been going in, I'm fed up with so many things. I gotta just let it all out, I'm talking about the shit they've been talking about. Telling me I should do this, telling me I should do that. Telling me things about rap, talking the truth and that stabbing my...
Alter! Junge, genauso! Alter! Genauso lüftet nämlich.